Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. There are no scratches or dents on the door at all. Everything here looks fine. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler is perfect. There are no scratches on it. The back bumper is excellent as well. So everything so far is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger door. There are no scratches on this door at all or no dents. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender is perfect. Everything looks fine, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and we're going to start with the driver's seat. Alright, so the driver's side is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat is perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel is perfect as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all here. Everything is perfect and brand new. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.